Okay guys, look, we just made it here to Five Below, and this is a new Five Below that we have close to our house, and they had already set up all of their Easter stuff in here. And by the way, it smells like fresh paint, ¿verdad? So not only are we gonna look around, but my son is gonna be shopping stuff for his birthday. So let me just show you some of the things that they have here. Oh look, we found a Nickelodeon Easter egg with candy. These are my favorite characters. It has Super Mario, and they're all $3 each. Here's a Jurassic Park one. Jurassic World, I mean. And these are $5. Here's some bunny ears. Oh, look at this plushie. It's $5. Here's some glitter bunny glass. Different colors. These are $1. These have more glitter than any other Easter eggs that I have seen. Oh, look at the colors. Me gustan estos. These are really nice.
I like this one.
¿Esto qué es? Is this candy? Edible grass strawberry artificial flavor. It looks like grass, but it's candy. Oh, look at these big ones. It has a plushie y luego tiene el candy inside. This is a really great idea for $5. And there's all the colors right there. Give my daughter look. Adamaris is right next to me. Look, they have makeup, skincare products. Those are some jumbo chocolates. They're for $5. And they have this one también with a inside, and I guess it comes in with 3 stencils, 3 decals, storage a bucket. And they have these ones with glitter markers. They're washable, non-toxic. That's candy. 4 for $1. 4 for $1.
Can I get one?
Look at all these candy, everyone. So we found some gold notebooks, and then these are pretty handy because they already have things in here where you can, you know, write your plans. I love this journal. You guys, I love everything. Everything looks just so nice and neat. So they have so many things in here. Five Below. Look, we got toys here, shirts. They even have backpacks here. They have some slime in here, but this is a mermaid mix, and it comes with the little gems, so you don't have to worry about going through the messy stuff. You can find some in here. This one's nice as well. It's got all the glitter inside. Here's a couple more. These are different ones. Really nice colors. Squishy Cube Slimes. This kind of looks like a fruit bowl of cup.
taking this. It's $5. You guys don't have to buy me a present keyboard anymore.
Found some dog items.
Look at this.
Oh, that's so nice.
We don't want matching socks.
Oh, hey, socks for Coco.
That's for Coco and that's for Mimi.
Those are for
All
you?
their socks.
Oh, awesome.
Coco. Brian.
Ay, ya me imagino cómo se ven sus little patitas. They have clothes for pups. Sí. ¿Esta carpetita para qué es? ¿Para qué se utiliza? ¿O es para que no tiren? By the way, they also have everything for decor. Look at how gorgeous these plants are. And they're not even that expensive. They range from $5 and $3. And these ones right here are $4. They're so nice. Look at this one right here. They're not even expensive. They seem expensive. They're not expensive. Mira este café.
They're not like that. What is that over there?
This one's a nice, decent cup. This one says, "Be a nice human." Trust me, you got this. Trust me, you got this coffee.
I want one.
Oh, este de la clown. The cloud.
Mommy, Coco. There's so much.
Estos que son. Coco's gonna fly.
Wait, is this how you got under las peluches? Because tienen the same nose.
No. Mira este. Este está acá. ¿Cuál? Sí, hace este cuando estaba chiquito.
Is it?
I have a lot of puppies. Está bonito este.
What about this? Morning party zone. Tira más la canasta.
Mommy, but los dogs.
Oh yeah, I need
Mommy,
to
for
put
the
that
owners.
everywhere.
For baby.
Yeah.
Mommy, but first coffee.
Yes, I... Looks really nice. Mira este. Ah, ¿qué es esto? Es para la hielera.
I want this.
Magnets for $3, $3.25. Mira, I love to fart.
People think that I'm shy when I actually I don't want them to talk. You want this? I mean, like, who wants this? I like purses, not hands.
Puede caber en tu computador, ¿verdad?
Don't eat me.
Yeah. Mira los lights. LED fossil thing?
Para el toilet.
Para el
Para
toilet.
los mocos. Oye,
Look. This section with all the sports stuff is.
la camisa.
Thin. Here's a cord. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoy watching it, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys really soon for our next one. Bye guys.